Several years after my grandfather disappeared in South America, a large amount of money was discovered in a safe deposit box that he'd kept at a bank up in Hollandale. Nobody ever told Abby or me exactly how much was there, but it must have been a lot. I remember Dad talking about it with my mother, who always wondered how a charter boat captain could afford to put away so much cash. She had a point, too. Nobody we knew ever got rich in the fishing business. Anyway, Grandpa Bobby had left instructions that the money was to be split evenly among Sandy, Dell, and my father, but Dad wouldn't take a nickel. My mother didn't argue about it either, which made me think the three must have had a good reason for steering clear of that cash. Aunt Sandy and Uncle Dell were more than happy to take Dad's share, and they've been living the high life ever since. They wanted to send some hotshot Miami lawyer down to handle his case, Mom said, but I told him it wasn't necessary. You're right, it's not such a big deal. That's not what I said, Noah. It is a big deal. She scraped the chopped onion bits into a bowl, which was covered with plastic wrap and placed in the refrigerator. Later, when she was alone in the kitchen, she'd empty the whole thing into the garbage. I'm at the end of my rope with your father, she said. Mom, everything's going to work out. You children need to have food on the table. The mortgage needs to be paid, she went on angrily. Meanwhile, he's sitting in jail, talking about fighting for his principles. He wants to be a martyr, Noah? That's fine, but not at the expense of this family. I won't stand for it. Mom, I know it's a rough time, I said, but she cut me off with a wave of her hand. Go clean your room, she said. Please. Abby was waiting at the top of the stairs. She put a finger to her lips and led me down the hall to my parents' bedroom. She cracked open the door and pointed. There, lying open on the bed, was my mother's suitcase. Not her vacation suitcase either, but the big plaid one. Uh-oh, I said in a whisper. Abby nodded gravely. She's serious this time, Noah. We've got to do something.